This is this is where I live, Goseok. It's very farmland. You see all it's a shigor, the countryside. So here's all the rice fields, very beautiful, all filled, all green and lush and vibrant.